If the repair goes above $5,000, okay, that's your magic number. If it goes above that price, we should look into maybe replacing the unit. Another thing that I want to highlight is the age of the unit. Sometimes we can throw as many repairs as we want to, but just because we repair one thing doesn't mean that something else down the road could also start to go. This is something that one of our comfort advisors would be more than happy to talk to you about. But remember that $5,000 doesn't cover every single part in an air conditioning system. And once you exceed that limit, you should look at replacement.